If you want to start using the paid version of Card, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link sections in Card. So first, make sure you have an existing project in here in card.com. Click the plus button icon on the top right corner and then select the hashtag control in here. This will be the divider for the next page. So in here on the left side, change the name to the next page, or it's up to you, and then select done. After that, add a content after the control, click the container, and then proceed with adding a content in here. As you can see, I've decided to add a image. Now, click the plus button again and then click the buttons and place it to the page 1. And after that, on the buttons, you will need to change its URL. But first, I want to change its name to next and click the done. After that, as you can see on the control panel or control, change the URL and input the control name that you've made a while ago. Don't forget to include the hashtag. And then hit done. And as you can see in here, the on-click function is not yet opened because I'm just using the free version. So you'll need to avail the Pro plan in order to access the on-click function. And assumingly you've paid the Pro plan in Card, once you publish this content of yours, it will automatically proceeding to the next page when you click the next button. And that's it. That's how to link a sections in Card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.